I'd be willing to bet you're still clutching to your outdated portfolio website, probably not even knowing that it's absolutely unoptimized. I would be generous here and say maybe 5% as effective as the portfolio I'm going to show you today. The entire philosophy we're going to be talking about today is reach. I did have a nice portfolio back in the day, jackcolevideo.com. No one, and I repeat, no one ever in history would ever type in jackcolespecialportfolio.com. Now, they could easily stumble across a social media account of mine, a personal brand, a viral piece of content that we're going to talk about today. I'm going to showcase 3 examples of specific individuals who joined my private members community, Video Production Plus, and transcended to massive success based on the simple fact that they used a modern day portfolio. I'm going to show you guys how to set it up. Let's start the video. The entire principles we talk about today are completely based around discovery, marketing tactics, visibility, the most visible wins. We've been talking about that for a while, but I'm excited to show you guys essentially firsthand examples of this working. Let's jump on the screen. So on the screen right now is our newest success story from VP Plus Nico. This is a popular viral format called a before and after video. You take a YouTube video or any video for that matter, could be a short, could be a promo video, could be anything, and you make it better. You then put the 2 videos side by side. Everyone who looks in on this can now see, wow, look at how much better you made the video. That's obviously a testimonial for your skills. If you haven't watched my last YouTube video, I encourage you to go do it straight after this. It'll start playing right after this video. Nico is a 17-year-old kid who was making a couple $100 a month, literally 3 weeks ago. Now he's making over $3,000 a month editing full-time for a massive YouTuber, Clicks. It was all because of this viral format. Before we get to the 2 other examples here, do you think Clicks, would they have ever typed in Nico's special video production company.com? We could almost go as far as to say that would be impossible, but it was completely within the realm of possibility for them to stumble across this tweet right here, which they did, and end up hiring Nico for a full-time position because they could see his skills. That's the discovery we're talking about. This is a modern day portfolio. Now, Nico actually does have a portfolio website. We're going to showcase that to you next after we go through these tweets, but it can't be the main way to drive traffic. On the screen right now is Pranav, another legendary VP Plus student who absolutely crushed it. This is the original edit that he did. Blew the hell up, 90,000 views. Again, this was a absolute nobody. His account had 0 followers before. Now he's got almost 1,000 because he used modern day portfolio techniques, modern day marketing techniques. Again, he did a re-edit, the original, which was over here, and then he went and replicated every single effect individually and essentially just showed competence that he was able to create quality at the same level as Iman Gaji's editor. This obviously blew up. He ended up getting hired for multiple $400 clients. He lives in India. That's like a significant paycheck out in India. Even over here in London right now, $400 video ain't bad cash at all. So the point being is that would anybody have typed in Pranav's fantastic imangajiedit.com? Definitely not. No one would have ever stumbled across his portfolio website. They can stumble across his Twitter account. What has this done to Pranav? He now has 905 followers. He has an established Twitter platform. Dude had like 4 followers when he actually joined VP Plus. He weaponized the VP Plus community, plus obviously some intelligent moves on his behalf by doing the before and after, but then also the next trick was doing a giveaway to absolutely blow his account up. Twitter's honestly like too easy. I'm going to give away the game right now. The second part of the 2-part strategy is this. Listen up. Number 1, you post an edit that's incredible. There's no hack for not being good. You have to be good. So you post an edit that's incredible that everybody loves. You follow up with giving away the project file via a auto DM giveaway. So what you say is, if you like, comment, and retweet, and then also you have to be following me, I will DM every single person who does that the project file and all of the assets. Obviously, all of the video editors freak out. They want this. They like, comment, follow, blow up the post, which means your follower count, who knew, increased. So this is the Pranav effect. Pranav essentially comes in with a bad boy edit. Then he actually gives away the project file. Yes, you have to follow him. And who would have known he goes from 4 followers to 905. Anybody can do this. Anybody can join my community, VP Plus, and use those as your initial followers to start blowing up your page. Then introduce a viral format like a before and after, follow it up with the auto DM giveaway to give away some free value to people. You will have a following near overnight. You could do those events within a week and have 1,000+ followers. Remember, this is like merit based, aka you have to be good. If Pranav's edit sucked, if Nico's edit sucked, we wouldn't be using them as the example. We'd be using someone else. But let's go ahead and give an example of someone who joined 2-3 days ago and already his growth had hacking Twitter. I'm very confident we're going to be making a video on this young man in the coming weeks. This is Sasha right here, the young legend. I think he's living in France. Sasha joined my VP Plus private members community 2-3 days ago. We got on a one-on-one call, and I advised him that the #1 place he could be spending his time in terms of building an audience, garnering attention, and landing clients, getting inbound leads, I told him, grind Twitter. You will not regret it. He jumped in the VP Plus community, started engaging with everybody. He had 4 followers when we had that call 2-3 days ago. Now he's got 71. He joined the VP Plus community, started weaponizing those guys for his initial following. This is a cheat code, guys. You can come into VP Plus and blow up an initial following just by engaging with the other members of the community. He then followed up with a strategic giveaway. He had a before and after, which was doing pretty nicely. People liked it. He then said, listen, I'm going to give away the project file. Everybody comment on this edit, retweet, follow me, and like. This is going to convert for Sasha. I have no doubt in my mind he's going to be getting inbound leads within the next couple weeks. And this is the game, people. Why would you be doing mass outreach all day long every single day? And by the way, when I say that, hypocritical thoughts come into my head because I'm actually about to go deep into a new AI outreach strategy where we scrape leads off Apollo and then mass outreach to them, 40,000 emails at a time. But that's not necessarily individual manual cold outreach. We have a bit of an automated strategy for that. We're currently testing it. If it converts, you guys will be the first to know. So I am trying outreach for sure. Shout out to the Outreach Masterclass in VP Plus. In fact, quickly before we continue with the video, I just want to make sure you understand that I just dropped the VP Plus Outreach Masterclass. This is 20 episodes breaking down multiple different places that you guys can outreach to freelance video editing clients. We have 2 different episodes in each. Each category is split into a theory where we talk about the do's, the don'ts, and that's like a notes-taking episode. And episode number 2 is the practical, where we showcase live messages, outreach messages that worked and converted the client, outreach messages that didn't work and didn't convert the client. Things you guys should be incorporating in your own approach, things you might not be incorporating. This is 4.5 hours of content, 20 episodes long. If you join Video Production Plus for $24.99 a month, you get access to this program and multiple other programs as well, countless stuff on the way, 1,000+ digital assets, and one-on-one calls with me. It's the most competitive offer in the entire video production scene. You should be inside. And let's get back to the video. So boom, there you go. That's the Outreach Masterclass, right? We are doing outreach. However, it's more strategic to create content on the internet, leverage viral formats to blow up the reach of your skills, attract inbound leads, and close clients that come to you rather than you having to go to them. Outreach is part of the game, obviously, but it is these little strategic things like building a personal brand and overall positioning yourself as an expert to attract inbound leads, overall just a superior setup. But overall, Sasha is a highly impressive young man who's joined VP Plus. He's honestly going to crush it. I have absolutely no doubts about it. We've already made a video on Nico. You guys know all about Nico. Pranav as well. We've made a video on Pranav. You know all about Pranav. These are killers who are joining my VP Plus community, applying the methods we talk about in our Outreach Masterclass, in our Twitter section, and they're having massive success. These are guys who are creating inbound leads. Real quick, we're going to end this up by showcasing their portfolios just to show you what a kind of double portfolio, double lead generator looks like. So we have Nico, for example, who attracts inbound leads through his before and after content. So say an inbound lead comes to Nico, they click on his profile, they then still have a portfolio website. Bad boy, he makes it with card. You scroll down, he has his VSL, his video sales letter, his video intro. We chill this so hard in VP Plus. Let's play 10 seconds of it.
Hey guys, my name's Nick. I'm the founder of NEE. We're an all-encompassing creative editing agency. We take the bare bones of a video recording and we transform them into a well-told masterpiece. We break your videos.
I'm sure you can see already. Badass editing. He's showcasing competence in the first few seconds. He's talking well, but this is a 17-year-old kid. Look, he's in his bedroom. He's got the bed in the background, the TV in the background. This could be any number of you guys. He's joined VP Plus within 2 to 3 short weeks. He's more or less changed his life. He's not going to university anymore. He's a full-time creative. I have no doubt he's going to scale his agency. I'm working with him one-on-one right now. Dude's going to crush it. Modern day portfolios are a move you have to make. We're doing it on Twitter. Back in the day, I did it on Instagram. Twitter is incredible for reach right now. It's honestly one of the best platforms in the world to be building on. The reach is unfathomable. If you're not convinced, you should watch this video right here. This is the real true story of Nico, who joined my community, growth hacked, and is now working for one of the biggest streamers in the entire world, making up to $3,000 plus a month. He's not going to university. It's crazy, right? Life-changing stuff. Click the video. I'll see you there.